Mr. Atelston, Fitzholder. Are you not Fitzholder? People call you Fitzholder. Why did they? Now you're doing something. Let us bring in, as part of our series, Mr. Atelston. Mr. Atelston, Fitzholder. Are you not Fitzholder? People call you Fitzholder. Why did they? Now you're doing something. You're doing something. What are you doing? When you smile, you release a set of gases and liquids through your spine that gives you a chill, that signals you're doing the right thing, and it is the right thing. And you might have the person on the other side of you not smile at all, and that might discourage you the next time you see someone walking down on the opposite side of the street. But I tell you, the stronger your cologne is, or perfume is, the more likely someone will smile.
Documentary ever created? India one. Sulfate acid heat. You seen that one? It's like a food documentary. What's the best documentary ever created? Currently, they're working on making a documentary like focusing on the Epstein files.